Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. It's somewhat of a different one as I haven't done many of these types of videos on my channel, so I thought let me switch things up and bring you guys some hair related content. So firstly I want to thank Rpgshow for gifting me this lovely unit, which I'm going to be revealing, styling and giving you guys my honest thoughts on. They reached out to me a few weeks ago and asked me if I would like to basically review one of their units. So I thought I'd take this as an opportunity to like get out of my comfort zone, pick something with a colour and a texture that I don't normally go for, and just switch things up. So if you like the sound of that and you want to see what I purchased and how I've styled it and the different ways that you can wear it, then keep watching. So the wig came in this lovely dust bag with Rpgshow on the front. I actually have already unboxed this just because I wanted to get a quick look at it and get a feel for it, but I've packaged it all up again for you guys. It comes in this lovely box, black box with some gold lettering, and then when you open it up it just looks like that on the inside. So it came with a compliment slip. Thank you for supporting us. This unit was made with love and we hope it brings beauty and light into your life. Yolanda, Rpgshow CEO. And then you get your order information in that little pouch there. So I picked up the unit. So I'll put all the details in the description box below, but it's the Yvonne unit, and I got it in the silky texture, 16 inch in terms of the length. It's like a brown unit with gold highlights, and I got the smaller cap size, I think, which is the 21.5 to 22 inch, and 200 density with the tinted transparent Swiss lace. So those are the wig details. Check the description box for more, and let's get into the unit. Oh, also in the bag you get this like little unit carrier, so that's nice, and it also came with a spare wig cap, two actually. Okay, so I've put a wig cap on and I've come back having just washed the unit. So the great thing about it is, as I said, it is so versatile. So I've just washed it and like lightly dried it, and look at the curls. They are absolutely popping. So you can tell this is like its natural form that it's supposed to be in. So what I'm going to do is pop it on. I've also, when it came, I added an additional elastic band on the inside just to secure it, just because I like it like proper tight on my head. Whew. Still very wet. So what I'm going to do is use the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie and just go through. In fact, let me put this towel around me because it's getting a little bit wet. And just go through the curls and give them a bit of conditioning. So for this you're also going to need like a wide tooth comb. So I just take like a dollop like that, rub it in my hands and just run it through the ends. In fact, let me split it. I've actually wanted to try a highlighted wig for some time in this style, so super pleased with how this looks. And it's definitely not one I would probably do in the middle part, so let me just show you guys the lace. I've not even like bleached the lace any more than it already was when it came, so you can definitely do some more on that. So let me get the comb and just work this through from the root to the tip. As you can see with this one, it definitely looks better when it's like wet, at least for me anyway, because I don't like anything that's sort of too thick. So I'm gonna let it get the product right the way through. Okay, this towel is like being more of a nuisance than it is a help, so let me take it off. You just want to make sure that you put in enough product to soften it up, but not to like weigh it down too much. Okay, so you can see that I need to like work on the lace, the colour of the lace a little bit. So, and my battery is flashing red, so what I'll probably do is come back once I've like properly styled this up. But you can kind of, you get the feel for it. Gorgeous, gorgeous unit. And I feel like the colour looks better when it's in this form. So I have just cut bits of the extra lace off and just kind of left it in its natural state, and this is the unit. It is absolutely beautiful. I just want to go in so you guys can see how transparent the lace is, hopefully. It could do with a little bit more bleaching, just to get it to my skin tone anyway, but that's probably because I selected like the wrong colour. But like, yeah, you could like bring some baby hairs down. You can like do a lot with her. So yeah, I super love it. I haven't even customized it that much because I'm not the wig expert, but I absolutely love this style. I think it's kind of like my new summer look, and yeah, I can't wait to see all of the different styles I can like put this in. I'm thinking about like experimenting half up half down kind of vibe, but regardless, like just having it in a cheeky side part with some bits down is also a look. So this is the unit in its final form, and probably the style in which I would wear it. I absolutely love it. I love how transparent the lace is. I love the colour. I love the curls. I pretty much love everything about it. So thank you so much to Rpgshow for gifting me this unit. All the details will be in the description box below. And yeah, subscribe if you want me to do more wig reviews, more hair related videos. And yeah, I've also done a little highlight on my Instagram with this unit. So head over to @NadrineK and check me out over there. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.